Morning!
And then the rest?
It's 9 o'clock.
The ones here.
Opening time. We just put away all the product I was going to show you earlier, but they were talking. You got Junior. Say what's up, Junior.
And Adrian.
Maritza.
Oh, South too.
And Esteway. Christian. So we got to clean the store because tomorrow the surprise is coming. Tomorrow the surprise is coming to you guys that is here. What it is. All right, so let us finish up, and then I'll go back there, introduce you to the rest of the guys who you know, and then we'll be cool. All right. Oh, we're in the back. It's already 9:04, and it's already fucking 94 degrees. What's up, man? It's Luis, numero uno. He's mad because I didn't get him coffee. Here, he can have mine. Take it, bro. Mira, este way también. You didn't bring nobody to Starbucks? I brought everybody some coffee. They can all have a sip. Want a sip, Adam? Adam's in the building. Hey, wait. You were saying you were going to be done with this razor on Tuesday. It is now Friday.
It's not my phone. Cheap ass phone.
Was the audio done at least? The audio was done yesterday. Everything was done yesterday. Today he's just making it look pretty. That was a long time though. This is like the longest razor, huh? A week?
I don't have parts.
We don't have parts. Still don't have parts.
You got a fake Alpine here?
Damn. Oh, it's a BBX. Big Bad Extreme. Fake Alpine. That's the one that was in the Camaro.
Which Camaro?
The Charger.
The Charger. Where did that one come from?
That one was a 2-channel.
Oh, so Alpine has this fucking... Somebody stole Alpine.
Hey, look at this, bro. Oh, no. I fixed it. There's something wrong with this.
Let's see your bolt action. Look at that bolt action. Woo! You go, boy. This thing ain't going nowhere.
Nope.
So you're happy with your execute, huh?
Yeah, I stayed till 12 doing those 3 rings.
Where they at? Check out the Jeep rings he got done for the Jeep. It looks good. Look at that. Look at that. Bravo. Lots of attempts. The execution was well worth it. The OJ Mobile is getting a system.
What do you think? We should sell this box?
So this is what I sold that last week. He's here today to install it. It's right here. Alpine Type R speakers, Type R amplifier. He has a JL sub, and we're going to be putting a JL 1500.1 amplifier, which is coming in later today through UPS. So yeah, today, projects that are gone. That's going home. That's going home. And the black lifted Tacoma, it's not going home. But all right, guys. See you later, and enjoy the following. All right. So Jack is back.
I'm back.
Okay. And the girls are cleaning. So store is getting ready for tomorrow's surprise. And I don't know about you guys, but I haven't been outside because it's hot.
They're not ready.
Is it hot?
It's
Sweating hot, dog. All right. So I'm making a template. See? Of my stuff. It's gonna take 1 hour for this to template because it's 4K, baby. 4K all the way. Maritza, how you not melting out back here? Ugh. I can't put a 0 gauge in esta amplificador. No se puede. You have another one?
no.
This one. I need one that's for the audio control. You have extra?
Which audio control?
The LC2s. Because me perdió uno. I lost one. I need one, man. What are you gonna be doing?
It's only the
This one? This one? All right, so check out the installation. Look how clean that is, man.
I'm gonna start fixing all this shit.
You're gonna start fixing it? So, yeah, we got the Dynamat on there. We got the amps installed, the 2 amplifiers. We got the speakers changed out. These are the originals. So we're getting in good hands right now. What's up, boss?
Do you think you can sell that guy the monster?
Stock radio too?
JBL.
Man, things people, but no, because
I know the best thing he's gonna have is a module.
yeah, because all his shit sucks. That's like trying to put sugar on shit. Still shit. We got 2 Tundras. Look at that.
So can you sell that?
Oh shit. So can't see back there.
Because we're in trouble.
What's up, Adam? Are you done? Let's go get my filters so we can stay in the sun, you know? Tell me when I discount for all the months we've been having bad internet. Motherfuckers. Good luck out there in the heat. Good luck, bro. All right, so we got the filter, right? Let's see if it looks any better. If we put the filter while we go out to the back. Oh yeah, much better. Yeah, much better. Here, take the filter off. We got all the Alpines taken care of. It's already installed.
Yes, sir.
Now we gotta work on the amps, which we got the JL 1501 and the Alpine. The best combo, man. Got good highs, got good ass bass. Oh man. Let's go check out the CNC, what they're doing over there. Doesn't look like nothing's going on in the CNC room. Weak sauce. So I just got back here. We got more product. Now I gotta put all the way the more gel. It just got shipped in. Man, crazy. All right, so we're back here right now. I want to check out the box from Junior. What is everybody and their mother got a 13W7? Is there some special? Is there some special I don't know about? Where everybody has a 13W7?
Yeah.
Damn, look at your box, man. How are you gonna put the stuff on the inside?
Okay.
You're gonna carpet the bottom?
Yeah.
It's loose. It's loose like a goose. You need an angle? Do they make angles for that? So how's it coming along? Are you liking it? Are you gonna poster it already?
It was.
But what happened? That looks sick as fuck.
Brackets off.
Where's the Jeep thing? That's where that's gonna go. See how you did the Bondo? That looks cool. That just gives it a little contour. Whew. All right. Check out this bracket we made. Look at this cool bracket, aluminum bracket for the power wire. It's a 0 gauge, so we gotta put a big fat fuse, you know. So now it look like you got nothing to do. He's looking at acting like he's working. All right, they're doing the Jeep. It's getting closer. Look at you, look at you.
Yeah, let's try it.
That looks good, man. Where'd you learn to do this? How many mobile solution shop workshops have you went to?
None.
Liar, you've been to one.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Not the real one.
That was an introduction.
That
was to try to catch people to go.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah.
That's why you would go to Vegas. They're like, hey, just come on down to this meeting. It's free. We're gonna give you $100 to play, and then you end up owing millions. All right.
Yeah, but it's pretty interesting what they got there, you know?
This is awesome. Where's the fuck? Oh, that shit looks fuck duty.
You'll see it more back.
Bueno. Seamless, flawless. Mande? Oh, can you spray it one more time? I didn't catch it. Oh, wait, you gotta spray it. Right? Spray it. Slow motion. I need something to see.
Come on, Anthony. It's already a lot of paint on that pen.
Damn. That looks legit, bro.
It does. Is it coming for it today?
I hope so. That was the deal, no?
Yeah.
Give it to him Friday. That's why we're rushing in it.
I don't think you're rushing.
Oh, open it, open it, open it.
My favorite guy in the world, Joe. And we got Lewis doing the DSP. So the gel got fixed. You know how we did it? We fixed it with the Fix 82. That's how we made it work. Still fiber optic. So it's cool. Hey, look, the lights are on. All right. It is now time to leave. We're gonna close up the vlog. For tomorrow is a new day. I don't know if I can tell you right now. No, I'll just wait. So, we're about to roll out. We're gonna finish that car. That's the speakers and the radio that I sold right now. It's gonna wait. But we're about to roll out, man. So I appreciate you guys. We have a few trucks that we're gonna be keeping for tomorrow to start some work. I wanna say thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe.